Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan. Yang terhormat Bapak Ibu penguji, perkenalkan saya Fajar Sukmana, mahasiswa PPG Guru Tertentu tahap 2 tahun 2025 dari LPTK Universitas Katolik Widya Mandala Surabaya dengan NIM 121262512 bidang studi Bahasa Inggris. Pada hari ini, Senin 15 September 2025, saya akan melakukan ujian kinerja di SMK Negeri 1 Bukit Tinggi pada mata pelajaran Bahasa Inggris dengan materi descriptive text. Terima kasih, selamat menyaksikan. Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, students. How are you feeling today? Okay. Are you ready for the class?
Ready.
All right. Before we start the class, let's the leader of the class to lead the prayer. Radit, please.
Before studying, let's pray to our Almighty God.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bil muhammadin nabiyya wa rasulah. Rabbil zidni ilma warzuqni fahman bi rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Amin.
Okay, before we start the class, let's sing our national anthem together. Everybody stand up, please.
Bangsaku, rakyatku semuanya, bangunlah jiwanya, bangunlah badannya untuk Indonesia Raya. Indonesia yang merdeka, merdeka, tanahku, negeriku yang tercinta. Indonesia yang merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya. Indonesia yang merdeka, merdeka, tanahku, negeriku yang kucinta. Indonesia yang merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya.
Okay, please sit down. All right, let's check your attendance. Well, the way to check your attendance, I want you to say one adjective using the same first letter of your first name, okay, or your nickname. For example, Fajar Fani, present. Okay, when I call you, say your name and then add one adjective and present. Fajar Fani, present. Okay, and raise your hand. Okay? All right. Dean Fatir.
Yes, sir. Dian Diligent Prison.
Very good. Farhan.
Farhan Present.
Nice. Farel. Very good. Fatimah Zara.
Fatimah First Present.
Nice. Muhammad Nabil.
Nabil Natural
Nice. Habibur Rahman. Very good. Hafiz. Okay. Fauzan. Fauzan friendly. Muhammad Al-Farizi. Very good. Muhammad Axel. Nice. Muhammad Shandi. Very good. Nico Piliano. Nice. Raditya. Very good. Rahma Latifa. Okay. Sisra Agustin. Very good. And Sri. Very good, Sri. Okay. Okay, very good, everybody. Last week, what did we discuss? It's about daily activity. About daily activity. Daily activity. Well, to deliver or to express daily activity, what tense do we use? Simple present. Simple present. Use verb 1 or verb 2? Verb 1. Okay, let's check it again. Farhan. Which one is correct, Farhan? She go or she goes? She goes to school. Very good. Al-Farizi, which one is correct? He is or he was at school? Al-Farizi. He is. Very good. Sri, which one is correct? John don't or doesn't like orange? Doesn't. Nice. You did all great answers. Okay, everybody. Okay, I want you to look at the screen in the front. Look at the pictures and say 5 words describing them. What is that? 5 words. Can be noun, can be adjective, can be verb, anything. Pokoknya kata ya, 5 kata describing them. Have a look to the first picture. Okay, what is this? Pyramids, yeah. Where is pyramid located? Where? Egypt, yeah, in Egypt. Okay, 5 words. Radit, triangle, hot, Fauzan, sand. Okay. Al-Farizi, historical, stone. Very good. 5, yeah. Nice. Let's continue. Oh, what is this? Kaabah. Where is it located? Saudi Arabia. The name of the city? The city? Mecca, yeah. Okay, 5 words. Fatima. Religion, religious, religion, Islam, cube, black, human. Yeah, there are so many human there. And then, boleh? Gold. Gold, okay, yeah. The stitches are made of, what do we call it? Gold, yeah, golden, gold. Next, the last picture. What is it? Candi Borobudur, Borobudur Temple, yeah. 5 words. 5 words. Historical, yes. Stone. Mystical. Ghost, okay. Anything else? History, historical. Java, yeah, it's located. Where is it located? What city? In what city? Jogja, yeah. Yes. Okay. Kira-kira, can you guess what are we going to discuss? About what? Tadi kita habis ngapain? What did we do? Kita baru aja describe something, ya. Okay. Nah, this one. So today we're gonna learn about descriptive text. Topiknya adalah describing a place, kayak yang barusan kita lakukan. Mendeskripsikan sesuatu. Well, what is descriptive? Describing, apa itu describing? Mendeskripsikan, menjelaskan. Apa maksudnya mendeskripsikan? Menggambarkan, very good. Jadi, when we describe something, orang yang mendengarkan atau membaca itu can picture in their mind. Jadi kebayang sama mereka. That's it. Okay, setiap hari pasti kita punya tujuan, ya. And this one, today's mission. misi kita hari ini, tujuan kita hari ini adalah we have two mission, okay? The first, identify the flow information in a descriptive text. Jadi kita bakal mengidentify informasi apa saja yang ada di descriptive text. And then the second one, identify the definition, function, structure, and then the language features. Definition, definisi. Function, fungsi, tujuannya apa, untuk apa dia di muka bumi ini. And then structure, struktur. And then language features, unsur kebahasannya. Oke. Diagnostic test. Oke, silakan dilihat. Look at the questions here. Silakan dicek apa jawabannya in 5 seconds for every question. Which word functions as an adjective in the sentence? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Apa? A, B, C, D. B, D, B, B. Siapa yang jawab B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oke. D. Oke, mari kita cek. Jawabannya adalah peaceful. Apa itu peaceful? Tenang, damai, gitu ya. Next. Which one? Yang adjective. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What? Displays? Displays. Jawabannya adalah ancient. Apa itu ancient? Kuno. Kuno. Displays itu kata kerja, verb. Several itu quantifiers, beberapa. Artifacts itu kata benda. Oke. Generic structure. Struktur teksnya. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. B, 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 check in. Okay, the answer is B. Yes, identification and description. Next. Simple present tense. Sebelumnya kita pernah bahas simple present. Sampai masih ingat? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. B, C, B. Ada yang dengar ada D tadi? The answer is D. Had itu past, will itu future, have watched itu present perfect. Beda lagi. Ya, ini yang simple. Cek aja. The last but not least. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. B. B. The answer is B. Very good. Yeah. Yes, kalau was past, has been present perfect. Kalau will ya akan future ya. Oke. Nah, itu aja diagnostiknya. Ice breaking. Before we get to the materials, kita coba ice breaking dulu biar lentur otot-ototnya. Silakan dilihat. Oke. Oh. Lah? Oke. Repeat ya. 2, 1, go. Throw, 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 throw. Okay. Let's move on. Pull, 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 pull. Pull, pull. Okay, very good. Now harder. Turn, 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 turn. Excellent. Final round, the last. Knock. Two hands, two hands. So close, we are almost there. Clap, clap, clap. Okay. Very good. Oke, gimana? Sudah lentur rasanya? Alright, let's move on ya. Okay, so let's get to the material. Descriptive text. Descriptive text. The definition. Coba Fatimah, can you read the first? What is that?
Definition, a text that describes or explains a particular person, place, or thing.
Very good. A text that describes ya. Apa tadi? Mendeskripsikan atau menjelaskan person, place, or thing. Can be anything sebetulnya. Bisa benda, orang, dan hal gitu ya. Apa tadi mendeskripsikan? Menggambarkan ya. Oke. Okay. And then purpose, tujuannya di muka bumi ini untuk apa? Coba baca. Nico. Nico.
Purpose, to describe or explain a particular person, place, or thing.
Yes, definitely. To describe ya. Namanya aja deskriptif. Pasti dia mendescribe, to describe. Oke. Okay? Nah, structures. Ada dua strukturnya ya. The first ada identification and then the second description. Apa bedanya? The identification itu biasanya the first paragraph isinya adalah nih introduction atau general overview. Isinya adalah informasi yang bersifat general, umum. Ada kayak faktanya, historinya, lokasinya, where is it located, and so on. Pokoknya secara umum, belum mendetail. And then the description, usually it's the second paragraph. Itu isinya adalah specific details. Kayak ciri-cirinya, the color, the shape, the size, the colors, the forms, and anything related to this. Jadi semuanya yang mendetail supaya tergambar tadi, terpicture tadi. Jadi dua strukturnya, identification and description. Very good. Nah, let's analyze the text. Analyze the text. Boleh lihat ke depan, boleh juga lihat langsung ke LKPD-nya. Oke, apa judulnya?
Jam gadang.
Yes, jam gadang, our icon, our apa ya, kebanggaan kita, our pride, jam gadang. Alright, so let's have a look. Ada dua paragraphs, right? The first and then the second. Kira-kira yang mana? Which one is the identification? The first. Oke, coba lihat apa aja informasi umum, the general overview yang dia kasih. Oke, pertama katanya iconic icon dari Bukit Tinggi West Sumatra, and then itu the first, and then the location, very good. Di mana dia? Located in the city center. And then
Machine is the same in Big Ben.
yes, the same. Apa yang the same sama Big Ben? The clock mechanism, mesinnya, the machine. Mesinnya sama, bukan sama. Cetakannya cuma dua, dia dibuat dua, satu di sini, and then the other one in London. Nah itu dia. Itu masih umum, right? General. And then the second, the description, apa aja specific details yang dia kasih tahu? The height, tingginya berapa? 26 meters, very good. And then selain tingginya, architectural influences from both European and Minang styles. Diameters, berapa diameternya? Large clock, the styles, apa lagi? Oh, diameternya berapa tadi? 2 meters, very good. And then, itu diameter apanya? The clocknya, very good. And then? Beautiful, ya. Dia kalau at night ada lighting di situ that make it look majestic and beautiful gitu ya. Alright, nice. We've got the structures, and then, okay. Next, language features. Unsur kebahasaannya. The first one is simple present, sama dengan daily activity. Kita pakai verb one. Verb one itu ada dua. Verb one, the base form, sama yang satu lagi dengan s, tambahan s. Kalau go jadinya goes. Kalau eat, eats. Play, study. Oke. Biar gampang ingatnya, I, you, they, we, tidak suka s. Kalau subjeknya I, you, they, we, don't add s in the verb. Ya, jadi I go bukan I goes, they go bukan they goes. Very good. And then ada to be. Selain verb yang verbal ada juga nominal. To be ada is, am, are. Okay. And then adjectives. There are berapa itu? 8 kinds of adjectives. Opinion, pendapat, like delicious, beautiful, energetic, lazy, handsome, amazing. Nah, itu opinion. Size, large, huge, small, tiny. Gigantic. What is that? Very big itu ya. Age, young, old, ancient, new. Shape, oval. What about this? Apa shape-nya ini? Shape. Apa ini? Square? Rectangle. Ya. Okay, and then color. Red, blue, yellow, black, and so on. Origin, asal ya. Kalau dari Indonesia namanya Indonesian. Kalau dari Jepang, Japanese. Dari Inggris, British. Kalau dari Cina, Chinese. Kalau dari Thailand, Thai. Kalau dari Irlandia, Irish. Nah, ada yang pakai is, ada yang pakai ish, ada yang pakai an, apa lagi ya? Ada yang nggak pakai apa-apa. Kayak Thai, gitu ya. And then material, bahan, metal, paper, silk, glass, wooden. Ini glass, very good. Purpose, tujuan. Ada cooking, gardening, pokoknya semuanya kata kerja yang pakai ing, itu dia. Okay, so ada berapa tadi language features-nya? Language features-nya? Simple present and adjectives. Simple present and adjectives. Simple present pakai verb one. Adjectives ada adjectives ada 8 ya. Sekarang kita coba analyze lagi teksnya. Tadi strukturnya, sekarang the language features. Analyze the verb one. Coba have a look to your LKPD. Coba dilihat ke teksnya. I'll give you 5 minutes. In 5 minutes coba analyze verb one-nya mana saja. Silakan di underline, di garis bawahi apa saja verb one yang ada di in the text.
Enggak yang ada verb one-nya. Komen sebelah. Komen.
Ten seconds. Okay. What? Okay, what are the verb one you find? Apa aja? Yeah, the verb one. The verb, only the verb. Is, very good. Has, serves. How many is in the text? How many is? One, two. How many is? Berapa kata is? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is ya. Okay, and then selain is ada serves, has, what? Serves, yeah, serves. Stands, makes, look, yeah, has, very good. And then let's analyze, ya itu ya. Is, has, serves, is, stands, is, has, highlights. Highlights, there's also highlights. Highlights and makes, ya. Okay. Next, let's analyze the adjectives. Okay, another 5 minutes. Find the adjectives in the text. Four minutes. Adjectives, ya. Adjectives. Circle the adjectives. Circle. Circle. Yeah. Circle the adjectives. Circle. Mhm. Ya ya, boleh boleh. One minute. 1 minute left. Finished? Finished. All right. Okay. Okay. How many adjectives do you find? How many? How many? How many? 11. 11. The same. 11. Okay, let's check. What are they? What are the adjectives? Iconic. Same. Tall. Minangkabau. Majestic. Traditional. Visible. Large. Open. European. Nice. Let's check. Yeah. Iconic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 11. Very good. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now create your own text based on the previous material. Tadi ada strukturnya. How many the structures? Two. What are they? Identification and description. What are in the identification? General overview, bersifat umum atau general. And the description? Specific. Okay. Silakan have a look to the second page, halaman kedua, yang activity 2. Okay. Okay. The first thing you need to do is to find out at least 3 facts. Okay, every group has different different place to describe. Group 1, what do you get? The place, the name of the place? Sydney Opera House. Prambanan. Prambanan Temple. What do you get? Liberty. And then? Tanah Lot. Okay, find out. The first activity is to find out at least 3 facts or general overview, general information about the place, and then continue to find out at least 5 details about the place. Okay, and then after you get 8 information, combine them into sentences, into paragraphs, and then put them in Canva. Put them in Canva with the picture and the text. The name of the place, the text, and the picture. After that, after you finish doing that, we will present your text, each group. Okay? You get it? Okay. I'll give you 15 minutes to find out and create your own text. in a group? 15. Uh, okay, 20 maybe. Okay, 20 minutes start from now. You can use your phone, your gadgets, use any source, Google, anything, and then find the best photo of that place, and then put them in Canva. Only one slide ya, satu slide aja. Yes. Okay, 5 more minutes. 5 minutes left. Silakan dipindahkan teksnya ke slide di Canva, dirapikan, and then don't forget the picture, the photo. Find the best photo and then put it there. Okay, 2 more minutes. 2 minutes left. Silakan disiap-siapkan siapa yang akan membacakan teksnya, who will be the moderator, the MC, who will open the presentation, how to open the presentation. Salam ya. And then we are from group. We will present our text about, and then the closing. That's all from us. Is there any feedbacks from you? Is there any feedbacks? Okay. After you present your text later, and then ask the feedbacks from your friends. Okay. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Oke, kirim teksnya ke Mister ya. Oke, ini sudah ada yang kirim nih. Dikirim, so I will present here. Bakal ditampilkan di sini. Oke, time's up. time is up. Okay, the first group that we'll present is, oh nice, it's Sydney Opera House. Which group is that? Your group? Okay. Group 1, stage is yours. Silakan, all of you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, guys. We from Group 1 will present the text about Sydney Opera House. Let's start. Paragraph 1 read by Fatimah.
Sydney Opera House. The Sydney Opera House is a world-famous performing arts center located in Sydney, Australia. It is one of the most popular tourist destination in the country. Many people recognize it as a symbol of modern architecture and Australian culture.
Continue paragraph 2 read by Sandy.
The building has an unique design with wide sail that look like sail or waves. It is located on Bennelong Point, right next to the Sydney Harbour. Inside there are several houses used for concert, opera, and theater. The opera house is often busy with visitors taking photos and attending events. At night, the lake make it shine beautiful against the water.
Okay, that's all from us. Is never any feedback from you?
Is there any feedbacks? Okay, Fauzan?
Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, Fauzan? Yes.
Saya suka bagaimana kelompok kalian menjelaskan desain uniknya yang mirip kapal. Itu benar-benar menonjolkan arsitektur modernnya.
Yes, alright. Nice.
That's all from me. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Fauzan. And next, Radit, okay?
Oke, terima kasih atas kesempatannya. Mungkin bisa ditambahkan.
Okay, go.
Baik, terima kasih atas kesempatannya. Mungkin bisa ditambahkan fakta menarik seperti siapa arsiteknya atau beberapa lama waktu pembangunannya untuk memperkaya presentasi kalian.
Very good.
That's all from me. Thank you.
Yeah.
And next answer apa? Thank
Thank you for your
Thank
feedback.
you for your feedback.
Close?
Close. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Give applause, everybody. Okay, have a seat. Okay, the next, Prambanan. Okay, Prambanan group.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from group 2. We will present our text about Prambanan Temple and read paragraph 1 and Habib.
Prambanan Temple is the largest Hindu temple in Indonesia. It is located in Yogyakarta and was built in the 9th century. Today, it is UNESCO World Heritage Site and an important cultural attraction.
Next paragraph 2, Nabil.
The temple complex has tall, pointed tower with beautiful carving. The main temple is dedicated is the Lord Shiva, while smaller temples are for Vishnu and Brahma. The walls and are decorated with relief that tell story from the Ramayana. Visitors can walk around the temples and enjoy the historical atmosphere. At night, there are cultural performances such as Ramayana bells that make a place even more special.
Okay, that all from us. Is there any feedback from your?
Feedback, okay. Fatma? Fatima? Fatma.
Gambar kuilnya sangat membantu saya untuk membayangkan arsitekturnya serta penjelasan tentang pertunjukan Ramayana Ballet juga sangat menambah daya tarik. Thank you.
Very good. Next, Alfarizi.
Mungkin bisa ditambahkan informasi tentang bagaimana sejarahnya, restorasinya gimana, itu aja.
Okay, very good, Alfarizi.
Thanks feedback you.
From
Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Give applause. Okay. The next, Liberty statue. Liberté.
Siapa bukannya?
Tadi saya dibilang Jamal Nigo. Baik, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Group 3 and we will present about Liberty City, and the paragraph will be read by Rahma and Farel. By Rahma, the stage is yours.
Liberty Statue. The Statue of Liberty is against sculpture located on Liberty Island in New York Harbor, USA. It was a gift from France to the United States in 1886. Today, it is a symbol of freedom and democracy.
The statue shows a woman holding torch in one hand and a tablet in other. It is 93 meters tall, making it one of the tallest statue in the world. The material is copper, but it looks green because of age. Visitor can take a ferry to the island to see the statue up close. Some tourists even can climb to the crown to see New York from above.
Very good.
Okay, that's for all from our group. Any feedback from us?
Okay, Nico.
Saya suka ketika kelompok menyebutkan tinggi patung dan fakta bahwa pengunjung bisa naik ke atas mahkota. Itu menambahkan kesan spesial.
Very good. Okay, another fit. Okay, Sisra.
Menurut saya di sini bisa ditambahkan makna-makna dari patung seperti makna obor atau tablet untuk memperdalam pemahaman.
Very good, Sisra.
Oke, itu dari saya.
Alright, thanks for the feedback. That's all for our group. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Give applause. Okay. And the last but not least, Tanah Lot Temple.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 4 and we will present our text about Tanah Lot Temple. The paragraph 1 explained by Hafiz. Hafiz, time is yours.
Tanah Lot Temple. Tanah Lot is a famous Hindu temple located in Bali, Indonesia. It stands on a rock formation by the sea. This temple is both a spiritual site and popular tourist destination.
The temple looks beautiful because it is surrounded by the ocean, especially during high tide. At sunset, the view becomes magical with the temple in Silhouette. Around the area, there are smaller shrines and local markets.
Many tourists come to take photo, watch traditional performance and enjoy the scenery. The temple is dedicated to sea gods, showing the strong culture and belief of Balinese people.
Alright, that's all from us. Any feedback for you?
Oke, saran saya coba tambahkan detail tentang pasar lokal ya, seperti jenis barang yang dijual agar audiens bisa membayangkan suasana yang baik. Oke, terima kasih.
Anyone?
Other feedback?
Any feedback?
Saya suka bagian tentang pemandangan matahari terbenam. Itu benar-benar membuat teksnya terang jadi.
Okay.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for the feedback. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, everybody, you have presented your text and also you have got your feedbacks. Nanti feedbacknya silahkan dirapikan teksnya berdasarkan feedback dari teman-temannya. And then, yes, that's for your text. From me, I think the way you present have already been good. Udah okay, sudah bagus, sudah berbahasa Inggris. Maybe the feedbacks from the audience, from the students, sebaiknya tadi ada bahasa Inggrisnya, but that's fine. Karena masih belajar, we are learning, we're studying, jadi nggak apa-apa masih pakai bahasa Indonesia ngasih feedbacksnya. Mungkin juga biar lebih paham temannya dari feedbacksnya, makanya berbahasa Indonesia tadi ya. Okay. Alright, you have learned the definition, purpose, structures, language features, and then you have made a text. Sudah bahkan sampai udah buat teks. Selanjutnya, the next activity is a quiz. Alright, everybody prepare your phone. Silakan di standby handphonenya. Standby handphonenya. Okay, let's do a quizzes. Kita pakai quizzes. Okay. Maybe you can scan. Can you scan from there? Bisa coba di scan from there. Scan atau join using the code ya. 879338. Bisa juga. Oke, Habi, Niko, Dian, Hafiz, Axel, Farhan, okay, the others. kecilan? Bisa? Atau join dari ini aja? Oke, kita start ya. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oke, Hafiz memimpin. Hafiz lead the charts. All correct answer, Hafiz. Oh, Farhan lead the chart. Finish ya. Nabil is Shandi. What's going on, Shandi? Minus. Nabil, Shandi. Okay, finish. Oh, Shandi's going. Okay, Shandi and Nabil. Wah. Woi, Shandi. Okay, finish. Farhan, Nabil, and Hafiz. Wow. Okay. Okay. All right. Save your phone again. Put it back. Simpan lagi handphonenya. Save your phone. Save your phone. Okay. All right. We've done the quiz. We've finished the quiz. Now I want 3 of you to sum up, merangkum, what have we learned today. Apa saja yang sudah kita bahas. Coba siapa who wants to sum up? Oke, Rahma. Oke, Rahma. Situ aja, Rahma. What have we learned, Rahma?
Menurut saya yang menyenangkan itu ketika
No, Rahma. The rangkuman. Habib. Ya, Habib.
To describe something.
Okay, wait. So, what is the purpose of the descriptive text, Habib?
To describe something, a place, and someone.
Okay, to describe something, place, and someone. What is the meaning of describe? Apa maksudnya describe?
Describe,
menggambarkan. Very good ya, bukan hanya menjelaskan tapi sampai tergambar. Very good. And next coba Axel. Axel atau Sandi? Axel, what are the structures of the text?
The structure is the first is identification and description.
Very good, identification and description. What can we find in the identification?
In identification, general overview.
General overview ya, isinya adalah informasi yang bersifat general. Very good. And description?
Berisi specific details.
Specific
details.
Okay, very good. And the last, Nico, Sandi aja deh. Sandi, what are the language features in the descriptive text, Sandi?
First is simple present.
Simple present.
Yeah, as an example, Ayu Dewi tidak suka es.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. And second, adjective or kata sifat.
Kata sifat, okay. Ayu Dewi tidak suka es. So, siapa saja yang pakai es kata kerjanya? Apa? She, he, it, atau yang tunggal ya, satu. Kalau satu dia selain I, you, they, we baru ditambahkan S di verbnya. Very good, Sandi. Oke, that's it. And ini tuh dia tadi ya. Pertama, strukturnya ada dua, identification and description. Language featuresnya ada dua, simple present dan adjectives. Adjectives ada berapa tadi? How many? 8 ya. Ada opinions, size, age, shape, color, origin, materials. Terakhir, purpose ya. Purpose itu gimana bentuknya? Yang pakai ing, very good ya. Shopping mall, swimming pool. Nah itu kata sifat dia di situ jadinya. Alright. And the last, inilah. Annie, okay. I want 3 of you to say something fun or challenging about the class today. During the class, apakah ada hal yang fun, menyenangkan, atau mungkin challenging? Siapa? Oke, boleh Rahma. Oke.
Menurut saya yang menyenangkan itu ketika mencari info dari tempat yang sudah ditentukan. Kami bisa mencari info dari mana saja, Mister.
Oke, nice. Bisa cari info dari mana saja. That's fun ya. Next, Sri.
Buat saya yang cukup menantang itu waktu presentasi, teks deskripsi karena harus ngomong di depan teman-teman dan Mister.
Iya. Karena harus tampil, jadi challenging ya. The last, satu orang terakhir, boleh Hafiz maybe.
Saya suka pas brainstorming sama kelompok Mister, soalnya bisa tukar ide. Thank you.
Alright, very good. Oke. Ya, di situ. Oke. Nah itu dia, kira-kira dari teks tadi, itu kan teks ya. Kira-kira dari teks itu kemana bisa kita implement di kehidupan nyata kita kira-kira? Menggambarkan sesuatu, yes. Kira-kira ke bentuk nyata yang bisa kita implementasikan kemana kira-kira? Work. Ya, giving the details. Contohnya, bisa nggak kita implement on social media? Gimana? How to put them? What? Short video tentang apa, gimana? For example, like I take a photo of the school. Yeah, I take the photo of the school, and then where can I put the description? Caption, yes, the caption ya. The caption bisa ditaruh di situ, deskripsinya, general information about the school, and then apa lagi? The detailsnya, how many buildings does it have, what color apa? What is the dominant color of the school? Dominant orange ya. Sekolah kita dominannya adalah orange. And then selain di caption, kira-kira di mana lagi bisa kita put the description? Comments ya, in the comments. Mana lagi? Bio ya, in the bio. Tapi bio biasanya nggak panjang ya. Hanya maksimal berapa itu? Berapa? How many words? Do you know? Characters atau words? Words. How many words? 50? In bio, di bio, 4 words, 4 kata. Nah singkat ya. Okay. Alright, and then tadi kan udah ada feedbacks dari teman-temannya saat tampil. Itu silakan diperbaiki teksnya, dijadikan homework, dikumpulkan minggu depan. Oke, silakan dicatat itu. Catat yang feedback dari teman-temannya yang membangunnya tadi ya. Kira-kira apa yang perlu ditambahkan, apa yang perlu dikurangi, and then itu dijadikan homework untuk next week dikumpulkan. Di print in the HVS ya, ada picture-nya di situ, and then the text, and then the name of the group. Oke, dikumpul next week. And the last, I want to say thank you so much for being very active in the class. Sudah sangat aktif di kelas, mau tampil, berkolaborasi dengan temannya, and memberikan feedbacks to your friends. Ya, memberikan feedbacks itu sangat-sangat mahal karena it's not easy, ya kan? Kita harus analyze yang dia bikin apa dan kita sampaikan apa yang perlu diperbaiki. Alright, that's a wrap. Oke, terakhir mari kita tutup kelasnya. The leader of the class, Radit, silakan lead the prayers. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.